Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back with another video. Now, we have a little bit of a dilemma here. Can't really lift that puppy up anymore for a while. I was gonna make a different video, one a little bit more helpful, but I was sitting here, I've been sitting inside because I can't really work with this, and I was like starting to make a little bit of my Christmas list for the family and all that, and then I was like, I can't really figure out what I want, and then I was like, I know some of y'all gotta be on the same page, so I was like, why not make a idea list for the real men like us? We want stuff for our trucks, and that's about it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make a video on stuff you can ask for your truck. I'm gonna do expensive stuff, and obviously the cheaper stuff, the more the smaller stuff, the kind of just like cool stuff that a lot of people don't really think of or do sometimes. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is pretty dang windy out there, and I know y'all aren't gonna be able to hear much of me talking while I'm outside. So I'm gonna try to stay in my truck as much as possible. And quite a bit of the stuff I'm gonna show you is also inside of here, so it's perfect. So other videos that I have seen never seem to say seatbelt covers. Now, mine are obviously very dirty and old. I need to get some new ones actually, which is something I'll put on my list. So first thing would be seatbelt covers, because why not? Second thing could be is seat covers. Now obviously these are not seat covers. These are my original seats that were in here. But yeah, you could go a route like, seat covers or something. And then next, excuse my trash in this trash bag. The trash bag's for that lawnmower back there because I don't have nowhere to put it right now, and it rained the other day. See if I can push this with my limp hand. Oh crap, no I can't, hang on. So, boom. Now my wire's hanging out on there. It's not that hard to hide it or whatever, but some simple LED lights. I have some right here, and I have one that goes here, here, and here. Now I put those LED lights in before I did this next thing I'm about to show you that you should definitely do. Pretty cheap. It just takes a while, a lot of time and effort. So here it is. There's a star of it over there. I know you can maybe see it behind the seatbelt there. I can't point, guys, because my arm is limp right now. But there's like a little black box there, whatever. It's kind of hidden. Goes up through here, and let me turn it on. This little switch here. Well, bam. Now we have stars in our truck. Because why not? Now, that is actually probably one of my favorite things I've done to my truck. I don't know why. I just really love this. It's just super sick. This plus rock lights, which is another thing you need to get. And, just have them both on at night or whatever. I don't know. It's pretty dope. I definitely would say some of that Starlight headliner, which I found it on Amazon. You can probably find it on Amazon as well. Next thing would be a steering wheel cover. Mine is actually pretty new. I don't know how it's already getting this bad, but yeah, steering wheel cover. And another thing, since I only have one hand right now, I can't really show y'all, but y'all can change out the LEDs and the lights of these dashes, which is actually super sick. Mine actually aren't, but you could ask for those. They're rather cheap. I have heard that it is kind of hard to do all that. That's also why I have not done it yet. Another thing is aftermarket radio. I have a just simple Pioneer. It works decent. Now, those are some of the simple things. Okay, here's another thing. If you travel a lot or whatever, here you go. Get yourself one of these deals. Don't even know what they're called. Telephone holders. I have no idea. Next would be something to hang off your rear view mirror. I have a Patriots thing. I have this class of 2020 deal. And I don't know if y'all can read that, but it says Big Bad Blue, because that's what I named this truck. And there's little trees. I'm not really a fan of, hanging 20,000 of them on there at once. I literally put it on there to make it smell good in here. Matter of fact, I need to change one of those out pretty soon here. Got like a actual lure that I took the hooks off of and just set up there. So yeah, that's another cool little thing. Let y'all look around, see if there's anything else y'all want to see. I'm pretty sure that's about it interior wise. Oh, another little, just cool little thing. I just have this little push pin, so life is good. Another thing could be stickers on the back glass. Who doesn't like a crap ton of stickers on the back of their window? Because I know I do. Now, once again, sorry for the wind. I'm going to step out of my truck and try to show you all the bigger, badder, expensive stuff. It is also pretty dang cold out here, so bear with me, guys. I have my flip-flop deal things on. I actually love these. And that's something you could ask for if you want. But obviously, one of the most important things would be a lift kit. If you're fortunate enough to ask for a lift kit for Christmas and get it, all power to you. Ask for it and get it. 100% recommend it. It's freaking bad. Second thing would be some new tire and wheels. If you're, like I said, fortunate enough to ask for that kind of stuff and get it, get you a new setup, because why not? We're rocking these 33s on 15 by 10s. with 2-inch spacers, 12.5-inch wide tires. And we'll move up to the front here. Ask for some handy dandy headlights. Cause who doesn't want to be rocking with some new headlights after Christmas? Cause I know I do. And then obviously right next to it, a new grill. Make you a little custom grill, that little F-150 thing we put there. And then we'll go ahead and move down to the secondary lighting. Get yourself a light bar, boys. Maybe get yourself a new antenna. Mine actually is a stock. I actually want to get like some kind of, maybe like a bullet one, maybe like a white or blue to, you know, match my truck. Haven't got one yet, but there's another idea. Maybe some new mirrors. Mine are dirty right now. I didn't go mudding, obviously. I don't know where this is actually from. Like I mentioned a minute ago, some rock lights, which mine are actually covered in mud right now. And maybe while you're on the outside of your truck, maybe ask for some kind of tip for your exhaust, or maybe just a whole new exhaust setup in general. Some more exterior lights. I have this little switch here. It's bright outside, you won't be able to see, but I have lights for the back of this. Another thing would be ask for a drop hitch and some tail lights, because why not? And also, while we're looking at the back of the truck on the lights, get yourself a third brake light. Everyone forgets about it. And maybe have some sort of a project truck. Y'all see that little bed liner there, or Raptor liner? That's what that is, which is actually peeling right now. I don't know why. Maybe get yourself some Raptor liner and do the bed of your truck. Or get some different kind of lug nuts. Maybe color match it to your truck or something like that. Get a body lift. Or get yourself some kind of LED bulbs. Obviously, we are back inside. Your boy got a little cold. But I think for the most part, I said some pretty decent ideas for you to ask for. Expensive and on the cheaper side. Now, another thing you could ask for is maybe like some kind of, you know, knife or, you know, just something simple like that just to have in there in case of, you know, case of an intruder or something. But I just wanted to go ahead and get y'all some content out. I know this is probably not what you're expecting, but I just got bored, thought of the idea, and was like, hey, why not make a video out of it? Also, I know it's probably not all that long either. Just want to give y'all some ideas and, you know, make time worth it. Instead of sitting here doing nothing, just kind of my only choice, walked outside, made a video. I hope you guys did get some ideas. And one more thing I just thought of, you can take all of the side panels and like all the extra logos and stuff off your truck by getting a 3M wheel that you can find at like your local Home Depot. You put on a screwdriver, get that 3M wheel, get you some Goo Gone, take all that off, changes the look of your truck for sure. But like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.